Namaste everyone, welcome to our channel Techno Blaze. Here you will get unlimited tech knowledge for free. So without wasting time, let's start the new topic in the Tableau School course, that is calculated field. This calculated field topic we have divided into two parts. In first part, we are going to learn how to create calculated field for the numeric data, string data and the date data. So let's start. First of all, let us understand what is calculated field. So calculated fields allow you to create new data from the data that already exists in your data source. Tableau calculated fields can be used to create new dimensions or new measures using several formulas. So let us try to understand how to use the calculated field for the different types of data. So let's start. When we open the sheet, then we have to click on the analysis option. Then click on create calculated field option. Then it will prompt one window. With the help of that, we can create calculated field as we want. After expanding the panel, we can observe available formulas in calculated field. Let's practice one example. In this, we are going to use tabular form of subcategory data and profit data. Then click on Analysis tab, in which select Create Calculated Field, and on right hand side panel of the calculated field, we can see multiple categories for different formulas are given, in which we are going to select numeric, and in that we are going to study several calculated fields. The first one is absolute value of the profit data. Here the absolute value will perform the operation like wherever you will get negative value, that will get converted into the positive value. So here I am going to put absolute of sum of profit. Once you get valid formula, then click on apply and OK by renaming the calculated field. Then simply drag and drop newly created calculated field, that is absolute value, to the table, and we can observe the changes over here. In profit column, we can observe the table has the negative value, but with the help of absolute value, that value get changed into the positive number. Now we will create one more calculated field, that is sign. For that, go to the Analysis tab, then select Create Calculated Field. In Numeric Calculated Field section, we can observe sign formula. So let's use that. Double click on that formula. The sign formula get inserted over here. In that, put the value which you are going to use it in this form. So we are going to type sign of sum of profit. So here we can see the formula is valid. Rename the calculated field by sign, then apply OK. We can observe sign calculated field is created. We can drag and drop that to the table and observe the changes. Here we can see whichever values are positive in the profit column, for that sign value will be 1. And if negative value get observed, at that time -1 value will be assigned to that data. Let's try third calculated field in the numeric section. For that, we are going to create one formula for the profit margin. That is sum of profit divided by sum of sale. Now we can use this profit margin to the existing table. simply drag and drop this profit margin to the table and we can observe the profit margin. Now we will create one more calculated field that is based on string. In this, we are going to perform several operations on string data. So as we can see, the customer name is the string data. In this, we can observe multiple string related calculated fields are available. We are going to start with left. This left formula indicates that we can return the number of string characters from the left. Simply select left. Then select the column on which we have to perform this operation and comma 4. Once this created, simply drag and drop newly created calculated field to the table and observe the changes. We can see the left 4 character returns the first 4 character from the name. Similarly, we can perform right operation as well. So we are keeping it for your homework. New string operation we are going to perform, that is lower, in which we can convert the string into the lower case. Create new calculated field in which select lower option and choose which column we have to use it as the lower case. Then add customer name column and rename the calculated field as lowercase. Once calculated field is created, we can drag and drop that to the table and observe the changes. Whatever the customer name we have, that get converted into the lowercase. Similarly, we can perform one more operation, that is uppercase. That is for your homework. Now, one more type of string operation we are going to perform, that is split, in which we are going to split the string data. Click on the split formula option and then type customer name as the column. Then mention the delimiter, that is space. Then mention the token number. We have mentioned 1. So after splitting, whichever will be the first word that we are going to use. So name the calculated field first name by split. And use it in the table. Then we can drag and drop the created calculated field to the table. And observe first name is created with the help of calculated field. Name the sheet as the string calculated field. Now we will create some calculated field on date data type. Here we are going to use order date as the data, but we can observe the default date is formatted in the year. So we have to convert it into the month, day, year format. Then let us create calculated field in which select date related calculated field formulas. The first formula, that is date add. We can simply add days or months or year to the date data. Here it is one example. Date add, then mention day, 10, that is we are going to add 10 days in order date column. We can see formula is valid. Then simply change the name of calculated field as 10 days added, then click on apply and OK. We can observe calculated field is created. Then we can drag and drop that calculated field to the table. This calculated field need to be formatted because it is in year. So we need to customize that in the month, day and year format. So let's make some changes in that. select custom option from the date and select month, day, year option, and we can observe the changes. We could able to add 10 days in the order date. Similarly, we can perform date difference calculated field. That is for your homework. Now we will try date name calculated. We are going to select date name in the created calculated field. Here, which part of the date we are going to name. So mention month, comma, the data which we are going to use is order date. So once calculated field is created, simply drag and drop that calculated field to the row and observe that the month part are labeled. We can perform several other operations in the number, string and date data type. That's it for this video, but we are not limited to the Tableau course only. We are going to provide several other courses like Python programming, machine learning, Power BI, SQL training, etc. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.